Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to interrupt our little Halloween series with a quick unboxing. So apparently I did not cancel my BIBBIDI box subscription. It arrived again today. Apparently I didn't complete the cancellation process because they actually ask you a few times to make sure you really want to cancel. And but this time I did complete it. Although I still didn't get an email saying my subscription was canceled, but when I log back in, it does say that it's canceled. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm always grateful to get it anyway, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm a Disney addict. And so we get this lovely iridescent BIBBIDI bag that everything comes in, that, you know, has a drawstring or handles this time. So I'm gonna pull everything out. And wow, I see some interesting things. And then we'll check it out. Interesting shapes. Okay, so check these reusable plastic straws. Oh, and they're Jack Skellington. Love it, love it. So reusable, there's 4 of them in there. Yes. And then we also have, oh, look at this Alice wallet. Yes. Where is the thing? Here we go. Let's get this open so you can check it out. So there's a snap here. Let's remove the tissue that they've supplied for protection. Oh, I love the colors. So yeah, you can stick your cards in here, your ID right here. You can hide some money in here. This can be, you know, your little back pocket. Don't need to carry a purse. Really quick on the go. But here's Alice. And it is a lounge fly. So cute. I love it. Then, ooh, we got some coffee. Fable Grounds coffee. Christmas in July. Coconut hazelnut. Coconut hazelnut. Yeah, I like that flavor. So I'm gonna take this to work and use it at work. Love it. Christmas in July. And then, what is this? We have a bowl set. So it has the little rubber thing to keep it all together. And then it lifts off. Oh, it's just like a little it's just like a little bowl. It's a good size bowl. It has all the treats. Epcot. And it has the castle on the top. Says no. For one thing, I can't read it because it's too... Oh yeah, no microwave and probably no dishwasher. You probably have to hand wash. But it is a nice size bowl. Thank you, thank you. And then you use this to seal it down. It's a good cereal bowl. That's kind of a lot of cereal. And look, we have Miss Mindy Disney Showcase. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? I've gotten a few Funkos. I think that's all I've gotten from Miss Mindy. Is some Funkos. Just making sure. Oh, it does say what it is on this side. I kind of look, so I kind of know, but kind of not exactly what it is. Let's find out together. I don't know if it's upside down, right side up. Might be the right side up. Okay, let's check it out. Voila! It's backwards. But do you see? Do you know? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I frigin' love it. Yes. Look, it's Shock, Lock, and Barrel. They are Oogie's kids. They are from The Nightmare Before Christmas. If you do not know, this is beautiful. All the detail is lovely. Miss Mindy, Lock, Shock, and Barrel in Tub. That's what it's called. Look at them. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Aw, it's great. That's a good one. That is a good one, for sure. So yeah, these were the items I received in my Bibbidi box this month. This, for reals, is the last one. Because I made sure that I canceled it. Because no business. I love these straws too. Don't forget the coffee. Okay, so that's it. We can go over the prices. The coffee was $5. These guys was $70. The bowl was $25. The straws were $10, and the Loungefly wallet was $20. So yeah, my box I pay I don't know how much I pay, $110 maybe, but the value is $129.97, so $130. And you're able to go on their website and like pick things that you're interested in. That's how they know what to send you. But anyways, hope you guys are having a crafty day. Thank you so much, Bibbidi, for the fun enjoyment I've had every month opening up your boxes. I might be back to subscribe again one day. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.